Okay, hello guys. Today we're gonna try to recreate my clean ambient guitar tone. That's on my free VST guitar tone video on YouTube. You guys have been asking for this for like years, 7 years actually. So let's try to recreate that guitar tone with only using Guitar 5, an Epiphone SG, and an audio interface. That's all, no amplifiers. Let's go. The tone is based around two compressors, two really hard squeezing compressors. So first of all, let's put them. We're gonna be using fast compressors twice. And we're gonna need a clean amplifier. Any clean amplifier will do it, but I'm gonna be using Roland JC120 with its default preset. It doesn't really matter actually. Only thing I'm gonna do is turn down the chorus depth, that's all. And maybe the second most important thing in this tone is having a really long tail reverb. We're gonna be using it before the last compressor. That's important. We're going to be using XX large preset of it. Turn up the dry wet knob and turn up the decay. And let's try. What is missing is that the compressors are really hitting very softly, so let's crush them, crush the signal very hard. Let's try it again. Okay guys, I actually really don't need to fiddle or tweak it that much more because it's already there. I'm gonna be putting this preset on my Google Drive and I'm gonna put its link to the description of this video so that you can download it. Thanks guys for watching. See you later.